Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen, joined by Sofia Rodriguez. Today, we're diving deep into Local Lead Machine, build an AI-powered, location-smart lead gen and outreach system for nomads, and how it can transform your life as a digital nomad. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and reclaim your time through AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Quick preview. A repeatable pipeline that detects clusters of opportunity near where you are, enriches them with public signals, crafts highly personal outreach, and automates follow-ups into a CRM, all while keeping a human review step. What success looks like: higher reply rates, fewer hours chasing leads, and more booked calls. This episode roadmap: problem, solution, tools and prompts, step-by-step implementation, results, and ethical guardrails. Section 1. Current pain and the core AI idea. Nomads tell us the same three problems: noisy tools that surface irrelevant leads, low signal so outreach feels like shouting into the void, and huge time cost when you're moving between cities. I got a message last month from a freelancer in Medellin who said she lost whole afternoons sourcing leads because search results returned outdated info or big agencies that never respond. That's familiar, right?
Exactly. The pain is real, and the fix has to be practical and ethical. The Local Lead Machine is a 4-step pipeline: discover, enrich, personalize, automate. Discovery identifies local clusters that are more likely to hire remotely. Think co-working partners, recent startup meetups, or businesses with "we hire remotely" signals. Enrichment pulls public, non-sensitive signals that indicate intent: job listings, remote policy pages, tech stack indicators, or recent funding. Personalization uses those signals to craft outreach that sounds human. Automation cues messages and follow-ups, but includes human checkpoints. We must avoid scraping personal private data or mass sending identical messages. That's non-negotiable.
Section 2. The tool stock and exact prompts. Quick stock comparison for nomads. For discovery, lightweight APIs like Google Places and Google Maps, public business listings, and OpenStreetMap. For company signals, use Clearbit or Apollo for compliant enrichment, and prefer provider APIs over scraping. For LLMs, pick GPT-4o or Claude for nuanced personalization and instruction following. Smaller LLMs work for cheap batch tasks. For automations, use Zapier or Make for simple workflows. If you prefer code, GitHub Actions or Google Workflows. For storage/CRM, Notion is great for single-person nomads. HubSpot or Pipedrive if you need sales features. Choose low-cost, API-first tools you can access from anywhere. Now the core prompts. Use them as templates and annotate. Discovery prompt. Run with location input. Given a city name or GPS coordinates in a radius of X kilometers, return 25 businesses or local organizations that are likely remote-friendly or hiring remotely. For each entry, list business name, category, website, public hiring signals, jobs page URL or remote mention, last known social handle, and one-sentence reason they're a fit. Output as JSON array. Enrichment prompt sends output from discovery. For each company in this list, gather public signals: company size range, LinkedIn company URL, tech keywords on the website, recent job titles posted in the last 12 months, and a suggested contact role, e.g. head of ops, CTO. Flag if no public contact email is found. Output enriched JSON with confidence scores. Outreach template, personalized email. Subject, quick idea for a company name from a local nomad. Body, hi Marcus, I'm currently based in city, and I noticed specific signal from enrichment, e.g. your remote first policy or recent product hire. I help teams like yours reduce onboarding friction for remote contractors by 30%. Here's a one-line case study, short result. If you're open, could we do a 15-minute call next week to see if there's a fit? I'll keep it short. Include 2-line optional ad for local connection. I'll be at co-working space or meetup on date if you prefer in person. Keep these templates short, specific, and modular so the LLM can swap variables. Implementation recipe. Quick automations mapped to actions. 1. Trigger. New city input in Notion or a Google Sheet. 2. Action. Call Discovery API, Google Places plus small scraper for public job pages to create candidate list. 3. Action. Run enrichment LLM to add signals and score fit. 4. Human review. Present top 10 to a Notion review board with checkboxes. This is your human in loop. 5. Action. Generate personalized outreach draft per candidate with LLM. Queue to Zapier make for scheduled sends into Gmail or HubSpot with tracking. 6. Follow-up sequence. Day 3 polite nudge, Day 10 value add case study, Day 10 final close, cap at 3 outbound touches. Always log results back to CRM and pause a template if reply rate drops by X%. Here's an exact automation prompt I use to generate subject line variants. Provide 6 subject lines under 60 characters tailored for a company name, referencing Signal, ranked by click likelihood. Those variants help A/B tests.
Section 3. Real Nomad Results and Ethical Guardrails. 2 quick case studies. Before, freelance web developer in Bali spent 8 hours weekly prospecting and got a 3% reply rate. After implementing the local lead machine with a daily 20 candidate discovery, human review, and 3-touch sequence, they cut prospecting to 1.5 hours weekly and saw reply rates jump to 18% with 3 booked calls a month. Case 2. A 2-person marketing duo traveling Europe reduced outreach time from 12 to 3 hours weekly and increased qualified calls from 0 to 4 per month. Potential pitfalls: sending repetitive, low-quality messages, exceeding API or email provider rate limits, and using sensitive or private data. Mitigations: include human review before send, cap daily outreach, 20 to 50 cents, prefer provider APIs with compliance guarantees, document data sources, and always include an easy opt-out. Rotate templates, add randomized personalization variables, and monitor metrics. If reply rate or deliverability drops, pause the flow immediately. These are operational rules, not optional.
Final notes before the CTA. Quick checklist you can implement in a day. 1. Choose your discovery source, Google Places plus 1 paid enrichment API. 2. Build a simple sheet or NotionDB for city input. 3. Wire discovery enrichment LLM personalization steps. 4. Add a mandatory human review for the top 10 candidates. 5. Schedule a capped follow-up sequence with 3 touches. 6. Log replies and pause flows when performance drops. 7. Run a weekly hygiene task to remove opted-out contacts. If you want the exact prompt pack and automation flows, we bundled everything into a downloadable checklist and sample zap or make recipes. Call to action. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools to download the 7-step checklist, annotated prompts, and sample automation flows. We also include 2 ready-to-import Notion templates and a short video walkthrough. Submit 1 lead result from your first week and we'll review it on a future episode. Help us sharpen the system for other nomads. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.
That's our complete breakdown of local lead machine, build an AI-powered, location-smart lead gen and outreach system for nomads. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools to access our full AI toolkit, including Dream Guide AI and LifePath AI. While you're there, check out our online courses and audio courses. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.